Hello, everyone. Welcome to Real Life English Conversations series. This video is for beginner English learners. You can listen and learn English with me. Are you ready? This is how native speakers order coffee. Good morning.
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Can I have a large cappuccino with oat milk, please?
Of course. Would you like sugar?
Just one sugar, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Your total is $5.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please wait over there.
Busy morning today, huh?
It's always busy before work.
I know. Everyone needs coffee.
That's true.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Would you like sugar?
That's all.
Please wait over there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Subscribe for daily English conversations. Learn English while shopping. Excuse me, where can I find the orange juice?
The orange juice is in aisle 4.
Thank you. I also need some bread.
The bread is near the bakery section.
Great. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, I did.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Your total is $18.25.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Where can I find the milk?
It's in aisle 3.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Shopping in English is easy.
Keep practicing every day.
Learn real airport English conversations. Good afternoon. I'd like to check in for my flight.
Sure. Can I see your passport, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any bags to check?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Great. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. Excuse me, where is gate 12?
Go straight and turn left.
How long does it take to get there?
About 5 minutes.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'd like to check in.
Can I see your passport?
Where is gate 12?
Go straight and turn left.
Traveling in English is becoming easier.
Great job. Keep practicing every day.
Learn English for doctor visits. Good morning. I have an appointment with the doctor.
What is your name, please?
My name is Max.
Okay. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
How are you feeling today?
I have a headache and a sore throat.
How long have you felt this way?
For 2 days.
All right. I will give you some medicine.
Thank you, doctor. I have an appointment.
Please take a seat.
I have a headache.
I will give you some medicine.
I feel better already.
Get well soon.
Practice English every day with us. Order food in English confidently. Hello. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
The chicken pasta is very popular.
Okay, I'll have the chicken pasta and a glass of juice.
Great choice. How is your food?
It's delicious.
Would you like anything else?
No, thank you. Can I have the bill, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice evening.
Can I see the menu?
What do you recommend?
Can I have the bill, please?
Have a nice evening.
Eating at a restaurant in English is fun.
Excellent job. Keep practicing daily English conversations.
Learn hotel English fast.
Hello. I have a reservation.
Welcome. What is your name, please?
My name is Junior.
Thank you. Can I see your ID, please?
Sure. Here it is.
Great. Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Thank you very much. Excuse me, where is the restaurant?
It's next to the swimming pool.
What time does it open?
It opens at 7 a.m.
Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'd like to check out.
Of course. Did you enjoy your stay?
Yes, everything was great.
Wonderful. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. I have a reservation.
Can I see your ID?
Where is the restaurant?
Have a safe trip.
Staying at a hotel in English is easy.
Great work. Keep practicing every day.
Useful gym English for beginners. Hello, I'd like to join the gym.
Great. Have you been to a gym before?
Yes, but not for a long time.
No problem. We have beginner classes too.
That sounds good. Excuse me, how do I use this machine?
First, adjust the seat like this.
Okay,
Then, push slowly and keep your back straight.
got it. Thank you. How was your workout?
It was great, but I'm tired.
That's normal for beginners. I'll come back tomorrow.
Awesome. Keep it up.
I'd like to join the gym.
How do I use this machine?
I'm tired.
Keep it up.
Going to the gym is fun.
Excellent practice today.
Follow for more real-life English. Easy English at the car wash. Hello, I'd like to wash my car.
Sure. What type of wash would you like?
Just a basic wash, please.
Okay. Would you like the inside cleaned too?
Yes, please.
It will take about 20 minutes.
No problem. Is there a waiting area?
Yes, right over there.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your car is ready now.
Awesome. It looks very clean.
The total is $15.
Here's my card.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too. I'd like to wash my car.
What type of wash would you like?
Is there a waiting area?
Your car is ready now.
Getting a car wash in English is easy.
Excellent practice today.
Great job today. You learned new vocabularies. You listened, you practiced. That's how you get better at English. Remember, just a little practice every day helps a lot. You can listen again tomorrow or try another video. If you liked this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for Speak English with Fun daily practice. You can also leave a comment below. Tell me, why are you learning English? I love reading your answers. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time.